What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best cordless vacuums in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In 2024, the Eufy HomeVac H30 Infinity stands out as a top-tier affordable cordless vacuum. This latest addition to the Eufy line is light and slim, yet it doesn't skimp on suction power. While its small form and limited battery life make it unsuitable for whole house cleaning, it's the perfect adjunct to a larger corded vacuum for those hard-to-reach spots. The Eufy HomeVac H30 series comprises 3 models: Venture, Mate, and Infinity, each offering a unique mix of accessories tailored to specific needs. Let's delve into the standout model in this series, the H30 Infinity. The Eufy HomeVac H30 Infinity is a lightweight, portable, bagless, cordless vacuum cleaner with a clear bin. Few can rival the truly handheld design of the H30 series, especially given the suction power provided by the Eufy Tri-Power system, which delivers up to 16 kPa at the push of a button. The main unit is remarkably compact, measuring only 425 by 90 by 73 millimeters, and its lightweight 808-gram form factor makes it the ideal handheld vacuum for corner cleaning, particularly in cramped spaces like car interiors. Available in black and white, its sleek modern design outshines bulkier alternatives like the 1.5 kilogram Ultenic U10. Unlike vacuums that use a trigger for activation, the HomeVac H30 features a single power button for turning the vacuum on and off. To toggle between the 2 performance modes, Eco and Max, simply press the switch above the power button. It's incredibly user-friendly, and this extends the included extras. You can effortlessly attach and detach them without dealing with complicated locking systems. However, for all its portability, there are trade-offs in terms of size, specifically the dustbin capacity. The Infinity model under review here includes all the features of the Venture and Mate models and a few extras, making it the most versatile of the lot. It incorporates a stick and hard floor tool with optional mop attachments into one package for swift hardwood floor cleaning. The HomeVac H30 Infinity employs Eufy's Tri-Power system, comprising a 100,000 RPM motor, a 2500 mAh battery, and a low-drag wind tunnel design. This design enhances airflow to vacuum more efficiently with fewer passes. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. The Tineco Pure One S11 vacuum emerges as a top contender in the cordless vacuum market in 2024. This product from Tineco, a relatively under-the-radar brand, is worth your consideration for its impressive features and competitive price. The Pure One S11 stands out for its robust battery life and potent suction capacity, distinguishing it from other cordless vacuum cleaners within its price bracket. In testing, the S11 exhibits exceptional performance, picking up approximately 80% of dust particles on average. This result positions it on par with high-end models from leading brands like Dyson. The S11's prowess extends to tackling pet hair effectively, thanks to its mini brush head specifically designed for cleaning upholstery and tight spaces notorious for trapping hair. Additionally, the S11 can be transformed into a handheld vacuum cleaner for cleaning tight corners and difficult-to-reach areas. An added advantage of the S11 is the LED lights on the primary brush head and soft roller head, which illuminate hidden dust particles under furniture. However, it's noteworthy that the mini brush lacks this light feature. The S11 also incorporates the iLoop dust sensor system that provides real-time feedback on an LED screen about the extent of dirt on your carpets. A blue ring on the top of the unit signifies clean carpets, while a red one indicates that further vacuuming is required, promoting smarter cleaning. While the S11 comes with a single battery, additional batteries can be purchased separately. A single battery provides approximately 10 minutes of cleaning at maximum power or around 40 minutes at the lowest setting. The Tineco Pure One S11 is equipped with a range of accessories, including a soft roller brush head for hardwood floors, a carpet brush head, a dusting tool, a crevice tool, and a multitasking brush head. On Amazon, the Tineco Pure One S11 has garnered an impressive rating of 4.4 stars out of 5. Users laud the vacuum's powerful suction, but some have pointed out the flimsiness of certain parts. However, considering its price point, the Tineco Pure One S11 offers unmatched value for its features and performance. Thumbs up. Introducing the Shark Vertex Cordless Stick Vacuum, renowned as one of the top-performing cordless vacuum cleaners in 2024. A noteworthy aspect of the previous Duo Clean models was their struggle with hair tangling, a problem that was particularly prominent with the Shark Ion P50, which had difficulties picking up threads shorter than 5 inches. With the launch of the new Vertex series, Shark seeks to address these issues through a revamped Duo Clean head featuring power fins, or silicone fins designed to offer improved anti-tangle and anti-hair wrap properties. While the older Duo Clean head excelled on hard surfaces, it had certain limitations that hindered its overall cleaning capability. The Vertex series brings an upgraded brush behind the roller, integrated into the redesigned nozzle, which offers superior agitation and is more resistant to tangling with long hair strands, outperforming any other cordless vacuum we've tested. A standout feature of the Vertex series is the multi-flex technology, facilitating deep cleaning under furniture with minimal gaps. The power fin's upgrade incorporates silicone blades around the roller, alternating with soft bristles believed to be effective in dust pickup. Storage is another area where the Vertex shines. Unlike most stick vacuums that require a docking station or wall-mounted vertical storage stand, this vacuum can be bent until it locks into place after pushing the lever, making it compact and easy to store. The dustbin capacity of the Vertex, although not the largest, surpasses most cordless vacuums at 1.28 liters. Its detachable design facilitates thorough cleaning. The unit incorporates 3 filters, foam and felt before the motor and a HEPA filter post-motor, which are washable and easy to remove. The Shark Vertex comes with a single removable battery, promising an estimated runtime of 60 minutes with non-powered tools on default settings. It offers 3 power modes: normal, carpet, and max, with the brush roll spinning at a higher speed in carpet mode to enhance agitation. The Duo Clean head excels in cleaning sand on hard floors, achieving an average pickup rate of 99.7%. To summarize, the Shark Vertex cordless stick vacuum is a robust, high-performing cleaner that offers a blend of innovative features and impressive cleaning performance. Good stuff. Should you find yourself in the market for a high-end cordless vacuum and are willing to shell out a few extra dollars, look no further than the Samsung Bespoke Jet. Crowned as the best premium cordless vacuum of 2024, the Bespoke Jet is Samsung's answer to Dyson's dominance in the market. This model boasts a potent handheld wand that packs a punch. It has self-cleaning capabilities. The Bespoke Jet is meticulously crafted, with every detail considered. However, it demands ample storage space for accessories. If space is not a concern, the Bespoke Jet stands as the most opulent vacuum cleaner we've tested. It surpasses the Dyson V15 Detect in terms of functionality and power, and outperforms the corded meal on dense carpets, a feat for cordless vacuums. Beyond vacuuming dirt, debris, and hair, the Bespoke Jet can mop hard floors, tackling stubborn stains by spraying water to loosen dirt. Once done, a single press of a button empties the dust canister, suctioning all collected dirt in seconds. The Bespoke Jet excels in suction and mopping, displaying significant power, particularly in its 2 high-power modes. Like its Dyson, LG, and Miele counterparts, the Bespoke Jet comes in 3 configurations, varying only by the number of batteries and cleaning tools included. It features a multi-purpose tower, providing ample storage for accessories and tools. Depending on the model, the Bespoke Jet comes up with 7 heads and cleaning tools. These include 2 motorized cleaning heads for hard floors, a soft roller for use on both hard floors and carpets, and the slim action attachment designed specifically for wooden floors. The Bespoke Jet's control panel is conveniently located on the handle, and the digital display is bright and sharp. While docked on the clean station, the Bespoke Jet exudes style and power. It features 4 suction modes: min, mid, max, and jet, and operates relatively quietly. The Samsung Bespoke Jet registers 71 decibels at medium power, 75 at maximum, and 70 decibels at jet, compared to the Dyson V15 Detect 77 decibels in auto mode and 81 in boost mode. If budget isn't a constraint, the Samsung Bespoke Jet is undoubtedly worth every penny. Introducing the Dyson V15 Detect, the unrivaled champion in the cordless vacuum arena for 2024. Famed for its fusion of high-quality craftsmanship and state-of-the-art technology, Dyson has once again proven why it stands at the pinnacle of the vacuum industry. The Dyson V15 Detect arrives with an array of practical accessories, making it a versatile cleaning tool for various surfaces from floors to furniture. The device's lightweight design, tipping the scales at less than 7 pounds, ensures easy maneuverability and storage. Despite its compact size, the V15 Detect packs a punch, exhibiting the power to tackle extensive cleaning tasks in large homes and deal with substantial dirt accumulations. The standout feature of this vacuum is its pioneering laser function, which illuminates hidden dust and dirt particles, enhancing cleaning efficiency beyond what other models can offer. It's equipped with 2 heads, a fluffy roller tailored for hard surfaces, and a high-torque cleaner head with an anti-tangle comb for carpets and rugs. Like all Dyson cordless models, this vacuum conveniently transforms into a handheld device for spot cleaning. When the appropriate head is used, the V15 Detect effortlessly removes various types of debris from all surfaces. The roller remains unobstructed, even by pet and human hair. Users have lauded its potent suction power, which doesn't compromise its user-friendly nature. While the most powerful vacuums are typically bulky and challenging to maneuver, the V15 Detect strikes a balance between power and portability. Weighing just under 7 pounds, it feels light during use or when carried upstairs. Despite its robust suction, the V15 Detect operates quietly, and the battery remains steady throughout our testing. Its Detect technology, which projects a green light ahead of the vacuum head, makes it easier to spot minute dust particles that could be missed on hard floors. Another commendable feature is the battery-saving function of the V15 Detect. While cordless vacuums are favored for their convenience, they often face criticism for a short battery life. The Dyson V15 Detect addresses this issue with an intelligent design that auto-adjusts suction power based on the size of detected particles, helping to conserve battery life. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 cordless vacuums in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.